Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to play the Tomb Raider 2 remake on your PC. This is made by Boss and it's named Tomb Raider the Dagger of Xian. Today's video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to install it. You can see some footage of this on screen, it looks absolutely amazing. Let's jump right into this. Now I will mention up front, sadly this is just a demo and not a full remake of the full game, at least at the moment. Hopefully this changes in the future. But just so we're clear up front on what this is, I still think it's great and it's definitely a nostalgia hit if you played the original game back on the PlayStation, and I definitely think it's worth checking out either way. It's really beautiful. So the first thing you need to do is come to this link. Links is always in the description down below, and this is going to be for the website of Boss, where he has uploaded all the different information here. Once we're here, we're going to be coming to the menu. We're going to be clicking on the download option, and we're simply going to have to wait for this to load up. Now I will mention the minimum specs for this. We will need Windows 7 or higher. We will need a graphics card with at least 2GB of VRAM and it's DX11 compatible. At least 4GB, but strongly recommend 8GB of RAM and at least 6GB of disk space on your computer. For today's video, I'm going to be downloading the latest demo version 1.22, which is the latest at the time of recording. We simply need to come here and just download the latest version. So here you can download it from Google Drive. Simply going to be opening this up and we're simply going to be clicking download. Once we're at this point, Google will mention it can't scan it because it is too large. For today's video, we're simply going to be clicking download anyway. Once your download is done, you want to move it to a location where you can find it easily. So I have my exe file right here. You simply want to double left click to start to launch this. And just for anyone worried, I did scan this file with malware bytes just to make sure. There was no issues detected inside it. Of course, feel free to scan it yourself if you're unsure about it, but for me there was no issues with it. So once you have it downloaded, we're simply going to be double left clicking to launch it. We're going to be clicking yes on the Windows pop-up that comes up. We then have to select an install location. I'm just going to be leaving it on my C drive. Click next. We then have the option to create a desktop shortcut. I'm going to be doing this again. Click next. And then finally click install. Finally, we can launch on startup. Simply click finish and then our game should launch. And just like that, Tomb Raider is launched and it's as easy as that to set up and play this. Anyway guys, by default this is expected to be played with an Xbox One controller, so feel free to connect one up right now. Otherwise you can come into your options and you can take a look at the controls right here and feel free to set up anything you want. You also have all of your other game settings right here, but other than that you can expect normal PC game behavior, so you can feel free to check out anything you want here, and it's as easy as that to set up. Anyway guys, I want to take this moment to give a huge shout out to the channel members, Sean Daly, Joshua Davis and Devontae Hunt. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you'd like to have your name shout out in future videos or other perks, be sure to click the join button on any video on the channel. It would really help me out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.